Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you are here. If you like my cards, please keep watching. For today's video, I have created value packs with my spring and Easter cards. So let's get started. I make a lot of cards between my YouTube videos and the local card making group that I belong to. I have more cards that I can give away or send away to family and friends. And therefore I created some value card packs that are available in my shop if you are interested. Of course, these packs are only available once because each card is unique. And please head over if you're interested because it is first come, first served. But I thought I'll let you know what's inside the card packs. These are cards that I have created. So let's start with, this is card pack number 1. And like I said, you will find these in my shop. These cards here are all 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And this card pack here has 6 cards. That's number 1. Here is card pack number 2. And all my cards are blank inside. And as you can see, they come in individually wrapped in these clear bags. So we also have 6 cards in this pack. Again, same size, regular A2 cards. Here is card pack number 3. There are 5 cards in here. The cards that I have created with this cute Easter card making kit that was sold out very quickly. I have a couple of these cutaway cards in here. Again, these cards are regular A2 size. Here is card pack number 4. Now, when you mail these cards, you do have to add an additional stamp because they are not totally flat. I do have 3D toppers on here. So therefore, make sure that you put enough postage on it, but an additional stamp should do the trick. And my 5th and last card pack is a little bit bigger. These cards are 6.5 by 5 inches. Okay, there you go. There we have it. And here are the 5 card packs again. If you are interested, please head over to my shop. I have linked the website below. There are other card packs up for grabs, but these are my spring and Easter ones. Each card I have created, but once you buy these cards, they are yours to use. Even if you wish to resell them, that is fine by me. So thank you so much for your interest. Please stay or get well, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.